Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. We are making breadfruit. It's an African native food, mostly in Nigeria. These are the ingredients we'll be using for today. That's my stockfish. In the bowl I have Scotch bonnet blended with onions, it's frozen, my palm oil, and the chief of the day, which is the breadfruit. I'm going to speak my native language now. Ndị be anyị ndeewo no. Anyị na-esi ụkwa taa. Ihe niile adị m n'iru bụ ihe anyị ga-eji si ụkwa. Nke a bụ azụ ọkpọ, ose ịkọpụ, nkwọrọ ya na yabasị, ya na eze mbọsị taa bụ ụkwa. Na-echefukwaghị mmanụ Igbo. Mma ghanye ya bụ ụkwa n'ime ite, mana tutu m mee otu ahụ, mma agbanyegodo mmiri n'ite. Gbaa mbọ fụ na mmiri ji esi ụkwa sele ụkwa gị ọfụma tutu isinye, maka na ụkwa na-arị ahụ orire and nke osinadị ọ ga na-amị mmiri wee na-eghe. So what I'm saying is make sure the water you add to your breadfruit is a bit much, because the breadfruit takes a little bit of time to cook, so you should add enough water. I'm deboning the fish. I don't like making use of the outer part of the fish while making my ukwa. That is the black part you are seeing, the smoked out part. I don't like making use of it, so I'll debone it and use just the inner flesh of the fish, and that is it. This cooking of this breadfruit takes a little bit of time. If you have a pressure cooker, it's going to save you a whole lot of gas and time too. This is my first checking of the breadfruit. It's about 25 minutes now since I started cooking it. There is still enough water in it, so I'm going to cover it back. This is about 55 minutes later. As you can see, the ukwa is almost ready. That's the breadfruit is almost ready. The water is milking now, showing that the ukwa is soft. You can check the texture of the ukwa by pressing it. I'm going to add some sea salt. This will help with the taste as well as soften it more. I don't like adding akang and put akang, ungo, all those stuff. They are not good for your health. Instead of adding that, throw in a bulb of onions into your ukwa. It will help soften it. This is 5 minutes after adding the sea salt. I'm going to scoop out some ukwa water for drinking. It goes very well with the ukwa porridge while eating. Ndị Igbo ndeewo no, ndị be anyị ndeewo no. This is our correct delicacy. Now is the right time to add your smoked dried fish into your ukwa so that it can cook for some time. Give it 3 to 5 minutes to cook so that the sweetness and the deliciousness of the smoked dry fish will sink into the ukwa. And this is the right time to fry your onions and a little Scotch bonnet. Don't be tempted to add too much Scotch bonnet. Like, don't add too much pepper to your ukwa. Ukwa doesn't require a lot of pepper. A little goes a long way. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to pour in a little palm oil to my frying pan. It's called in Yoruba Ororo. It's called in Hausa language. It's called manja. I'm going to pour in a little bit of mmani in Igbo language and sprinkle in a little bit of salt to the oil. Don't add too much salt. Remember, we added some salt to the ukwa so that your ukwa will not become too salty. I'm pouring in right now my alibasa or onions. Alibasa is called alibasa in Hausa, and onions in English, and yabas in Igbo language. I'm going to add pepper, Scotch bonnet into the onions. Don't add too much pepper. Ukwa doesn't require too much pepper, so I'm going to stir it and allow it to cook for some time. This method of frying onions and your Scotch bonnet separately adds this kind of aroma and deliciousness to your ukwa, and it makes your onions very crunchy. I would like you to try this method. I like trying the other method as well, but since I started using this method, I enjoy it more. And that is it. I'm going to pour in the fried onions into the ukwa. So you can see it's now very soft, and that is the trick to it. If you want to soften your ukwa without adding potash and cacao and all the rest, throw in a bulb of onions into your ukwa, or you add salt. I'm using 2 seasoning cubes. Ukwa has a natural taste of deliciousness. With seasoning cube or without seasoning cube, ukwa comes out delicious, and that is it. So you shouldn't add too much seasoning so that you not end up losing the taste of the delicious ukwa. Oh, Igbo. Hey, can't bought on a boat. Our food is ready. Yay! Water. Now I want to pour in some of the breadfruit water into the cup. This goes very well with the porridge. While eating it, you sip from the watery breadfruit. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you have not subscribed by now, please subscribe to help your girl, okay? Deba ene ego no na poso ụfọdụ n'enu mmiri ụkwa chai ife dị mmari eme ego asị na a na-eji anya ama ọkachala acha otu aka ụkwa dị Ijeoma amaka. See you in my next video. Bye. Ndị be anyị ngwanụ ka ọ dị udo dịrị unu.